Works Minister Biswajit terms Congress Party allegation on Public Works Department of misappropriating fund for MPSC office building renovation as baseless. Students of Manipur Primary and High School cry foul over absenteeism of teachers, seek intervention of the relevant authority at the earliest. JCRPS gives 3 days to non-local fruit vendors to evacuate themselves from the footpath in front of Bhairodhan Maxwell Hindi Primary and High School in Bazar. Congress spokesperson NGB Joy appeals to construct Imphal East District Hospital at Sagolmang in Kundrakpam constituency. And renowned Manipuri poet Hijam Angankal is fondly remembered on his 75th death anniversary today. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. First up, Works Minister Thongam Biswajit has asserted that the allegation on Public Works Department by the Congress Party of misappropriating 3 crore rupees in connection with office building renovation of Manipur Public Service Commission MPSC is baseless. The minister also warned a spokesperson of Congress Party, Hareshwar Goswami, and the Congress Party to produce the proof on the allegation and clarify it at the earliest. Addressing media person at his quarter in Sanjenthong, spokesperson of the government, Minister Biswajit, maintained that MDS did not write any official letter to PWD regarding the MPSC's office building renovation. He said the planning department also did not mention anyone in particular when the fund was deposited to the works department. Biswajit said planning department sanctioned a total fund of 3 crore and 50 lakh rupees for the renovation works. He stated that the department received a fund of 2 crore 93 lakh 42,609 rupees after necessary deduction. The minister produced all the related documents and asserted that it is not related to any previous works of the department. He asked the Congress Party to question the MDS on how the work order was issued and maintained that the work undertaken by the MDS was during the Congress government. Biswajit warned the Congress Party not to blabber when it is not in power. He maintained that there is no issue regarding the matter. The minister alleged that the Congress is trying to malign the image of the government as the election for Member of Parliament draws nearer. He urged the Congress not to speak without evidence and proof and asked them to visit the department if they seek any further details.
MDS the Pirami, Adugadu Toromi Habuse, PW, the MDS, so far I could 2016-17 the city recapitulate deposit Torkiba Matamda Equida Benet Josina, Principal Secretary for Planning, Na Equida Pirakiba Matamda, Kanabusu, Sinatoromi, Haraga, Palaga, Laki Madugi Sapsaba copy Equida Legere, MPC building Amadi Ladiba, Sangot Hakaba, Poski Matu Ina, Punna 3 crore 50 lakhs Equida, interestment or Dergaluna acquisition orders Equida, Planning Department Equida Sinar Kibani. Sigi Matungina, Haribo Pashasi. Ekuna channel deposit tawre harkanda thamba matamda low and necessary deduction ka harkanda 2 crore 93 lakh 42,609 che sigi ladibo posi koina receipt tawi haribo chalan copy do koi sidal lejare.
8 out of the 9 teachers located by the Education Department at Moirangpurel Primary and High School located 31 km away from Imphal have not attended the schools. Students studying in the school drew the attention of the authority concerned and urged to help sustain the existence of the school. Speaking to media person at Manipur Press Club today, student of the school, Laishram Vidyarani, inquired which authority will take what kind of action against these absentees teachers who have not attended the school even after 1 month of the utilization order. She specified that utilization orders for 3 teachers were issued 1 month ago, while for the remaining 5 teachers, more than 16 days have passed since the order. The student also pointed out that one primary teacher of the school was transferred to another school without the teachers even once having attended the school in concern. She appealed to relevant authorities to look into the grievous condition and take appropriate measures at the earliest.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯖꯕ ꯂꯥꯛꯇꯕꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡꯗ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯂꯥꯡꯇꯛꯅꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯣꯖꯥ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛ ꯊꯥꯖꯤꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯔꯥꯖꯅꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯈꯟꯖꯩ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯕ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯀꯟꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯧꯒꯠꯄꯤꯌꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯏꯗꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯇ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤ.
Women in Students' Wing of Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System, JCLPS, strongly condemn issuance of vendor license to non-locals selling fruits along the path in front of Bhairodhan Maxwell Hindi Primary and High School in Thangal Bazaar. At least 24 non-local fruit vendors have fully occupied the footpath, causing traffic congestion in the busy market. The JCLPS team warned the fruit vendors to vacate the space within 3 days. Convener of JCLPS Students' Wing, Manjit Sarangthim, stated that if they fail to vacate the space within the stipulated time, JCLPS will resort to forced eviction. He expressed shock that authorities of Imphal Municipal Corporation issued vendor licenses to them. Manjit also drew the attention of Mahut and the Education Department to make Education Zone a peaceful one. He called on the state government to consult with stakeholders to avoid any loopholes regarding the bill to safeguard the indigenous people of the state before the monsoon assembly session.
Lakaduriba nungsu mifumda Manipur lengakna kui anauba bill amakak passed onaba phongdokrakliba si warmly welcome to wedu hangningli wo hangdi mamang thakcha 2015 da Manipur Regulation and Visitor Tenant Migrant Workers Bill 2015 puthokpa matamda miyamgi tongan ba yelumi fruitsingi stakeholders singi dugumba mot sector umdabana maramakanda madugi mayokcha Manipur miyamgi ba dugumba ngaklaw ama fawwa cross ama fawwa jarom damna konda dugumba namthak bila dugumai to Manipur miyamna yeu hokhiba dugumna lakaduriba nungzumi from the puthokne high bill ase masi puthoktingai da assembly floor da thamdringai da miyam gi tongan tongan stakeholders singi opinion sing sik torakanda masi Manipur miyam gi yellow missing kannabi badumba bill amani abasi Manipur lengang na chapchana pibom thoi abasi thamjaninge de loina na high river street by the 24 se numit humni gi manung da takthok sagni abasi chapchaba joint campaign line student wing amani numit singi firem ne abasi se media gi tongda pongdon.
Spokesperson of Congress Party, NG Bijoy, drew the attention of the government to construct the Imphal East District Hospital at Sagolmang as there is no more land controversy. Addressing media person at Congress Bhavan today, former MLA of Kurai constituency, NG Bijoy said the government should reflect on their decision to shift the construction to Kiamgai from Sagolmang, where the foundation stone has already been laid. He stated that establishment of the district hospital at Sagolmang will also benefit the people of the surrounding constituency. Bijoy said there is a huge difference in the medical facilities availed by people of Kairao constituency and the people of Sagolmang in Kundrakpam constituency and other nearby constituencies. He said the people will face more difficulties if the community health center is shifted beside the shifting of the district hospital. The former MLA stated that people of Kairao constituency get sufficient health facilities from Jenims, RIMS and other hospitals. He further recalled that the BJP-led government had issued an order to upgrade the CHC Sagolmang into Imphal East District Hospital and to shift the CHC to Basikong on November 23 last year. Bijoy appealed to the government to abide by its order and construct the hospital at Sagolmang and to construct a sub-hospital in Kairao constituency if the need arises.
ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕ CICꯁꯨ ꯆꯠꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔꯁꯤ ꯔꯤꯚ꯭ꯌꯨ ꯇꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯗꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯦꯡꯕ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯑꯣꯡꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯁꯥꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯈꯟꯊꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯂꯝꯒꯤ ꯆꯌꯦꯠꯅꯕꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯅꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯁꯤꯗ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯁꯨ ꯈꯟꯕꯤꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯀꯥꯡꯗꯅ ꯈꯨꯡꯒꯪꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯆꯠꯂꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯜꯂꯥꯎ ꯂꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯆꯤꯡꯗ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯆꯠꯂꯤ ꯈꯨꯡꯒꯪꯗꯁꯨ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯍꯧꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯤ ꯈꯨꯡꯒꯪꯗ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯡꯒꯪꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯅ ꯕꯦꯕꯥꯔ ꯇꯧꯒꯗꯕ ꯍꯔꯥꯎꯖꯒꯗꯕ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯖꯒꯗꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯤꯗꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁꯑꯣꯡꯃꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯥꯕꯤꯕ ꯇꯣꯛꯄꯤꯒꯅꯨ.
Renowned Manipuri poet Hizam Angankhal was fondly remembered on his 75th death anniversary today. Mahakavi Hizam Angankhal Memorial Trust Ningom Thongjau organized the 75th commemoration program of the Mahakavi at the community hall of NYVO Club in Ningom Thongjau today. It may be mentioned that Hizam Angankhal, who was born in 1892, was one of the most important Meitei writers of the 20th century. Besides being a poet, he was also a well-known essayist and dramatist. Speaking on the occasion, Professor of Manipuri Department, Manipur University, E. Dinamani spoke at length on the extraordinary life led by the renowned poet. He also encouraged the students to adopt the habit of reading and urged them to acquire the knowledge of our benevolent culture and tradition through reading. He further drew the attention of the government to build a library in honor of the great poet at Ningom Thongjau, where he breathed his last. On the other hand, Professor Nahakpam Aruna of the Manipuri Department also expressed that Mahakavi Angankhal played a great role in the promotion and revival of the state's culture and literature. She asserted that the poet's immense contribution brought us pride in identifying with our culture. However, government seems to be indifferent at the poet's contribution. Aruna further lamented that the poet's contribution in the field of Manipuri literature seems to be limited to only a few literature enthusiasts, leaving the vast majority of today's youngsters.
Bharata sidi haibadawna kana sa singnadi magi mariba nusiba magi masagi na nusijaba masagi ogo ojibido adu pambadagi adu lolina ko na itale ko nusimana nusibadagi mahidu magi horirolda magi sahitda happy hatna balaknai adu mingonis hatna nabasuma injelane Manipuri maite bonsi ayuni matamadagi kanglai bonsi sakot balakna gadabani ayuni nachi kanjat balakna gadabani.
RNTCP Contractual Workers Welfare Union Manipur in a press release informed to the district TV officer DNO RNTCP that due to lack of response from the higher authority, the ongoing pen down agitation of the union is extended from April 26 until a written assurance is provided from the higher authority. A combined team of Thobal Commando and 26 Assam Rifles apprehended a self-styled Sergeant Major of proscribed outfit PLA from Sora Chingjin around 5:15 last evening. The arrested person is identified as Thongam Santa Meitei Elai Sapaba, 33 years, son of TH Nageshwar Meitei from Iringban Makhalaikai. Sources said Santa joined the party in 2008 under Wan Stellon, a member of the party. He has undertaken basic military training for 105 days in Myanmar and bears Army number 2868. Thobal District Police, in association with NAB NAP and NCB Unit Imphal, organized a one-day sensitization program for police personnel at the conference hall of SP Thobal District Office Complex today. Resource persons SP Thobal S. Gautam, SP NAB W. Basu and SP NCB Imphal Unit Bikram Singh spoke at length on Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act. SDPO, DSP, OC and SI Thobal District attended the program. Directorate of Education S, Government of Manipur, in a press release notified that the common entrance test for admission to Class 11 Science, Arts and Commerce streams in Government Higher Secondary School, which was scheduled to be on April 29, is postponed to May 13, and the last date for submission of forms is extended till May 7. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you reports on the unceasing assistance pouring in for the two children who lost their parents in separate road mishap at Tengdongyan in Sekmai. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Unceasing assistance are pouring in for the two children who lost their parents, Huidrom Rakesh and Huidrom Ongbi, are now in separate road mishap at Tengdongyan in Sekmai. Producer of Mummy Artists Association in Kiamgai, Haibong Makong, KH Inauba and former Minister Hau Khaled have donated 15,000 rupees each for the two orphans as fixed deposit in the Imphal Urban Cooperative Bank and handed over the relevant documents to the representatives of Pauro Khomba Development Association in Awang Sekmai today. Speaking at the sidelines, KH Inauba termed the incident as unfortunate ones and further expressed a desire to adopt the two children with the approval of the local clubs and Maira Paibis.
Masigi asumlaba thokdoksida thokje pak thoktabna marmoraga aijo aigi family members in tanajaraga sumnatagi sumba accident laikiba angangsing asigi oiba khoigi orphal home ama khak ai athuba matamda thamnaba ai silangba process haujare aduga ngasi makta leibe angang asiju tongan tongamba mafamda leiba home singda moina kaigumba angang ani thambagi daita lobiragadi yamna nungaijare kaigumba logdaba targasu mafam asi leiba local club singi mafam daina thamjari kaigumba moina ayaba pibiragadi aina hariba angang ani se aigi yumda ina isa sangna makhoingi mapungmari phadibok thamjagi.
On the other hand, Pauro Khomba Development Association appreciated all those who have provided assistance the two children who lost all family members in the unfortunate road mishaps. The association will hold a public meeting to discuss on the future of the two orphans on April 27 at Sekmai. Advisor of the association, Maihobam Manot, appealed to the people to participate in the meeting and contribute their thoughts and action on the decision to be taken. It may be recalled that on April 11th, the mother of the children and a 9-month-old infant, bringing the dead body of her husband, Huidrom Rakesh, from the hospital in an auto rickshaw, met with an accident when the vehicle collided with a truck at Tengdonggyang. The two surviving daughters are currently under the custody of Pauro Khomba Development Association, Awang Sekmai, and the Maira Paibis of the locality. So far, 108 organizations and individuals have contributed financial assistance to the children.
Lakliba April gitang kun-gataret iray numit asida hayriba angang ani sigi lambi yat pagi angang ani asida aphaba lambi tak pagi amasung aphaba mafam ama khanbagi mifam ama pangthok jagadawri hayriba mifam asida lamdam asomda leibiriba club organization sing amasung lanai miyoising na angang ani sibu nungsibiduna lengbir e hairaga makoi isa gi apamba mot khwaidagi phaba lambigi matangda decision lawba adu saruk yamina si haidana club asigi maikaidagi nongna ningsingjari.
Socialist Students Union Manipur in a press release said the union, in collaboration with POFM, held sit-in at school in Thobal, Moijing, Lilong and Yaripok against the numerous child rape cases witnessed recently across the country. Khongjom Battle Memorial Committee and Justice Committee for Anglo-Manipur War 1891 Martyrs and Victims Kanglai Park, Manipur jointly organized a program as a part of the first Anglo-Manipuri War 1891 Commemoration Month 2018 at Tengo Lampak in Khongjom today. Dr. N. Deben, historian M. Jatishwar and Chairman of Justice Committee H. Ibotombi Kuman led the people in paying floral tribute to the Manipuri martyrs who fought against the British imperialists from April 20 to April 27 in 1891 at the commemoration event. Agitation and Propaganda Department of the Communist Party of India, Manipur State Council organized a Kongjom Day program in Irawat Bhavan, Imphal today. Speaking on the occasion, retired MU professor N. Joy Kumar stated that the prevalent confusion regarding the actual deaths of the historical Kongjom War is caused by the corrupted political leaders. The council observed today as anti-imperialist and floral tributes were paid to the martyrs who sacrificed their lives during the 1891 Anglo-Manipuri War. Retired Professor N. Joy Kumar maintained that the indecisive dates regarding this day is due gambling of history with politics and further propagated by Kongjom Parba and scriptwriters of contemporary Leela and dramas.
Lila Iba Kanguga, Kongjom Parba Kanguga, Sakpa Isaichina, Manipuri history or Vidosai. The Holy Lila in Wayne, some Hutton, Nasika Yogo, the Holy Marudi, a queen not of the Yaku, you Africa, what I have those ideas had with the Kangia. Kabaka town happened to do this. Like the person to give her in the one Habanda, Habanda for our wood. But I was say, I couldn't politicalize the Vidosai. High policy with English to handle it. English to handle the day, Taripungo is time. What is better than so? What is a travel to have a kind of no money. I do British Canada, the British Canada, and Adoptuna. I quite do say, Kongjom, British Canada, but I saw the little Godiva, to get a general the ground in Latin. But see, Taripungo to the Tabu Talu River. Tabu Talu River, she finds out about Latin and Godono. We will get a
Employees of Social Welfare Department, Kada, made Town Planning Department stays a sit-in demanding implementation of 7 Central Pay Commission initiated by AMTAC and AMGO. Speaking at the sidelines, an employee of the Social Welfare Department said the demand for the 7th Pay Commission initiated by AMTAC and AMGO is reasonable as the 7th Central Pay Commission has been already implemented in other states of the country. The employee said all initiative by the government with regards to implementation of the 7th pay is supported. However, intention to establish a committee for the same is unreasonable as even in the past. A committee was set up but no action ensued. The employee urged not to waste time on setting up a committee but to take swift measure to implement the 7th Central Pay Commission.
Fitment committee semi another committee seminar to was a machine was a day, Sakana Masi to Napitopu, Masi Pion Topani. All in Diagina, Loina Panacre, others all in Diagina, Maneva. India labor, we write the view have named Masida Sakan Makadani, sir.
MLA Andro constituency, Thaunawjam Shyam Kumar has inaugurated the Nongpok Ningthau Panthoibi Community Hall constructed under the MLA Local Area Development at Andro Kunau, Torongkhul today. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Shyam Kumar stated that it is high time to provide necessary infrastructure for the upliftment of the society. He also asserted that Chief Minister Biren had already taken various measures for Andro constituency like upgrading of school as government institution in order to facilitate the students of the constituency and enable them to come at par with other counterparts in other constituencies. Shyam Kumar further assured the people that construction of roads and bridges in Andro Kunau will be undertaken within 2 months. On the other hand, the minister maintained that as a part of the Indian government's developmental scheme initiated for the scheduled caste, a dairy farm will be set up in Andro constituency soon. Village Chief of Sana Pokpa Chakpa Maiho Birol Andro, CH Gandhar Maitai, Chairperson of Andro Nagar Panchayat L. Lukhoi Luwang and various representatives of the Gram Panchayat attended the event.
Manipur government na paikaliba Siri N. Biren Oremos Minister paikaliba tabak tharumsi makada ko jaina paijariba forest environment department thilaiba sing mayam si loi maru si poksale sisu hanta kisa koi uju phajana thaba adu u phajana honba khungang jingda aduna koi ki hauliba u jing paisa dum piba village u yanda na ba adu padam hanta ki go to village ba thimadure koi piba hogone adu loi ba koi schedule caste ki oina si government of India na koi laiba Andro Chiangmai and Bishnupur Lemram. Sigi Lupak Kurama Panji, Pidapani, Kurapanji Manunda, Androza, dairy farming, koi sigi sima ade schedule class sub plan gida koi tongan hoji government India da koi se thari.
All Manipur Students Union MSU, in collaboration with Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol (KADA), conducted anti-drug campaign entitled "Let's Stand Against Substance Abuse" as a part of their campaign to improve education environment of the state at Kiam Sifai High School in Thoubal District and Paradise Gardening School, Chandapur in Bishnupur District today. Secretary General KADA Dipanjit Ningthaujam spoke at length on the ill effects of drug abuse to the attending students as a resource person. Parvati College, in a press release, informed that a state-level inter-college debating competition on the topic Manipurna Indiada Tinsin Lubada Chakwat Khongthangda Henna Kuman Chaukshan Lakpani will be held at the college on May 1st. Lions Club of Imphal East and Lion Clubs of Imphal Galaxy, in association with Horizon Hospital and Research Institute, Porompat, organized a free eye care camp at HBS Construction Materials Private Limited, Patsoi today. Speaking to media person, President Lions Club of Imphal East, Lion L. Randhoni, stated that the camp was organized specially for the truck drivers, keeping in mind the adversity faced by them on highways. She said, good eyesight is essential for smooth drives, but the drivers hardly checked their eyes. Around 200 people, including locals, checked their eyes at the camp.
Masi highway da chatliba kano gari mayam sing sigi driver sing se yamna wabani na moi sing si mit si adum yamna focus piraga chat pasidais da moi mit si yamna sokpa khotpa mayam sing si lerak pase masigi damakta haidana koina masigi ai kano se free eye game se masi ma organized tawjabani.
All Manipur VDF Welfare Association, in a press release, expressed disappointment for not getting positive response to convey a meeting with Chief Minister Biren till date, despite applying for the same at Chief Minister's Secretariat on April 19. The association called on the government to consider the request for the meeting by April 30th. It also informed that the members of the association will hold a meeting at Manipur Press Club on May 2nd. True Lok Theological Seminary held its 30th valedictory service program at Imphal Christian Church in Douala Lane today. Restoration Theological College also held its 7th commencement exercise in connection with the day. Meritorious students of the college were felicitated, and a convocation ceremony for the graduated students of the college was also held on the occasion. Principal Commissioner of Income Tax Mumbai IRS DP Haukip graced the occasion as the chief guest. The Juvenile Theatre Kongba Ketri Laikai organized the second state-level monologue, painting and dance competition at Lamyanba Sanglen Palace compound today. Students participants of class 8 to 12 in the painting competition were given the freedom to paint anything of their choice. Dance competition was exclusively on the rhythm of Manipuri film songs. Now the sports news. Home team Trau FC Imphal will lock horns with Jamshedpur FC in a Group C match of the 2nd Division I-League tomorrow at 2 in afternoon at Kumalampak Men's Stadium. Speaking to media person ahead of tomorrow's match at Kumalampak Men's Stadium today, head coach of Trau FC, Kumanthem Surmani, said in the home match of Jamshedpur FC played earlier, the two teams were drawn after the goalkeeper of Trau FC was booked a red card. He said the team will give their best to win tomorrow's match, although they were defeated by BFC-B in a home match as luck did not favor them despite giving their best. On the other hand, head coach of Jamshedpur FC, Hilal Rasool Pare, said the team has good coordination and that they will focus on attacking and work towards scoring more goals. He said in the previous match played between the two teams, they were drawn because of the skillful tactics of Trau FC's goalkeeper. However, the team will strive its best to win tomorrow's match.
The last time we miss many chances, and your goalkeeper, the Trau goalkeeper, plays very good. We will try to score more goals. We're coming here to win because our boys are very young, so that we want them that they should learn how to win the matches. No, there is no lack of coordination because we are trying to play attacking football because they are young players. We don't want to be on the behind to save the goals, save the goals, save the goals. No, we want to score as many goals as we can.
Sanagi mesidi akoi yam laibak thiba haigadra minute ahum da akoi gi goalkeeper je red card to tang thorkiba akoi 90 minutes ko yam wan sanagi ba fight dawge do akoi ju gon jam phangi prince phangi ba gon do chaninong gi da haigadra ko adu anyhow makoi da koi draw 1-1 da draw ta ko akoi jam live fa bane adu sidai da ko yam kan sanagani plus kai gino da akoi di home ni adai mamangi home da koi match mo loss oi khabani na adu mathangi hayengi match da koi yam kan thoina ba sanagani maram je koi gi injury player 11 sanab injury player oi gi ba question cha gi adu gi race am leiba adai malengang ba
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Works Minister Biswajit terms Congress Party allegation on Public Works Department of misappropriating fund for MPSC office building renovation as baseless. Students of Mairangpuril Primary and High School cry foul over absenteeism of teachers. Seek intervention of the relevant authority at the earliest. JCLPS gives 3 days to non-local fruit vendors to evacuate themselves from the footpath in front of Bhairodhan Maxwell Hindi Primary and High School in Thangal Bazar. Congress spokesperson NG Bijoy appeals to construct Imphal East District Hospital at Sagolmang in Kundrakpam constituency. And renowned Manipuri poet Hijam Angangal is fondly remembered on his 75th death anniversary today.